Goddamn you!
God damn you.
Beep beep
Long
boop
time no
boop.
see, man. Ecaps today show you how to cooking lobster tail. Goddamn lobster tail, big. I never see before this big. I don't know where it's come from. Ecaps get lobster tail from back of truck. Okay, I think it's come from Chernobyl. Okay. Ecap have lobster tail. Good for wedding party of 10. Also, Ecap like to eat Brussels sprouts. And Ecap have rice a little bit for 1 minute in microwave. Okay, let's starting. For cook, Ecap boil lobster, not boil lobster, Ecap boil water. Okay, Ecap drink too much vodka. And what else? Ecap put a little bit lemon juice. This is lime. And lemon juice. And after turn over, put hot water, Brussels sprouting for 5 minutes, and make rice for microwave 1 minute, and cooking lobster tail for 3 hours. Goddamn. Okay, I think so. Only maybe 10-15 minutes. Okay. I have to maybe show you how big lobster tail. This is my hand. Goddamn. Okay. Anyway, Ecap show you how to cutting lobster tail. Take out of shell easy. Use scissors. Cut down. Turn over. Cut again. Ecap show you. Okay, pausing now and reminding you, Ecap not go anywhere. Ecap not play big screen, not play VR. Ecap selling VR headset to buy more vodka. Ecap have priorities. Ecaps have to keep straight priorities. On the one hand have VR, on the one hand have vodka. And guess which one Ecaps is more important. Okay. Ecaps show you after cooking what look like and give you taste testing. Also, Ecaps are reminding not go anywhere on YouTube. Still make YouTube videos. Subscribing, tell your friends, tell everybody on big screen. Ecap still on YouTube. Click the goddamn notification bell. Ecap always tell you, BB, she will tell you what to do. She will tell you to not forget ring the bell. Ring the goddamn bell. Okay. I don't know, something wrong with this lobster tail. Anyway, he kept show you smokeless. Okay, I think I'm seeing lobster tail movie by itself. Okay, let's turn over and putting lemon. Okay, you kept keeping the refrigerator overnight. Put a little bit lemon. A little bit lime. And put boiling water. Just cover Brussels sprouting and put on heat. Putting rice in microwave for 1 minute and everything ready to go. Okay, he kept pausing and cook a little bit more lobster tail. I think I need nuclear fusion. Okay, pausing now, hold on. Okay, he kept forget to show. Put a little bit salting for Brussels sprouting. And I think it's too early for cut lobster tail. He kept show you. Cut down. Okay. I think he kept need industrial scissor. Goddamn bitch. Okay, here we go. The caps now want to have shell eating. Okay. I think this mother was coming. Okay, cutting this way. Let's try these scissors. Okay. This side not so bad. Can see meat inside is not cooked. Wait for a little bit and open shell. Heat is on full blast. Okay, pausing again. Okay, he caps. Not use chainsaw. And put lemon. The caps tell you you can also boil your lobster tail. The caps not eat whole lobster long time. Have whole lobster many year ago. Anyway, can boil also maybe 10 or 15 minutes again. You can put in pot and boil water and boil for 10 or 15 minutes. I think so. This puppy have to boil for long time. Okay. Okay. You got boil. Brussels sprouting. And now open up lobster tail. Let's zoom in. And show. Okay. Pull apart. Okay. And pull out. There we go. Okay, have poo, and throw out this one. And now can cooking more. Okay, ecaps almost finished cooking. Lobster tail. Put butter on Brussels sprouting. And putting pepper. And a little bit salting. Ready for take rice out of microwave for 1 minute. It's hot. Okay. Plain rice. And now ecaps cut. Ecaps not racist. God damn you. But ecap cut all black from lobster tail. Ecap never see black before on lobster tail. It maybe is normal for this lobster. But there we go. A few more pieces. Turn off grill before fire alarm. Grabbing small piece. Okay. Thank you for watching. Ecap not go anywhere. Ecap miss you. Baby miss you. VR miss ecaps. I know. Thank you. Subscribing, ring the bell. See you next time. You can put butter on lobster too. You got make vodka coffee now. What? Put a little bit butter maybe. Do not need too much. Okay, bye-bye. До свидания.
Not forget, ring the bell.